So sun damage, we live in Texas, so we see a lot of that. So what are the things that you can do for this? One is prevention. So we want to put you on the right skincare products, especially moving into summer, or even if you're going on vacation or just day to day, to protect yourself from the UV. So skincare is one that we really highly recommend, and we have lots of products here that can kind of help with that. The second one is laser. So if it is truly sun damage, IPL is our go-to, intense pulse light, or photofacial also. You can interchangeable names. We also have the 532 XLV laser that kind of targets pigment, as well as a 755 laser that targets pigment called the XLHR. Also treatments like Opus, CO2, things that are ablative, and what ablative means is basically we're kind of burning off the top layer of skin, and then we're regenerating a new layer. And so what's happening with that is you're getting a fresh new layer, so it can actually get rid of some of the sun damage. Those cells are usually a lot healthier, which actually is helpful for preventative of skin cancer. But yeah, I mean, lasers, skincare are probably the top two things, not to be confused with trying to get rid of freckles. So I have patients that sometimes get confused between a freckle and sun damage. So true sun damage, best thing is lasers and skin protection.